Good morning. Time is 7:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're gathered here right now on the 3/16/2013 monthly $1,500 put. Now, there are some big ass players in this. We got one guy that just bought 2,500 contracts at 1950. Another guy bought 1,000 contracts at 1950. Another guy bought 950 contracts at 1950 and 250. This is that 9:57 Eastern Time transaction that occurred right here. And we've got more of them 6,700 contracts on this S&P put, and the S&P 500 right now, as I can show it on a 3-minute chart, which I'll be happy to do, is that people are buying big. Here is the actual S&P 500 chart right here on a 3-minute level in the market maker platform with a great reversal, so you can see that. On a 60-minute level, I am going to show here what it looks like. That's the 3-minute level on the S&P. Now, these people are buying huge, 200, 400, 450. I mean, now we're up to 7,400 contracts. Now, when we take a look at the S&P 500, I'm going to hit my bullet point here. We're at IR1. Each line's $1.95 on our 60-minute chart. I'm going to hit the diamonds, and we've got a 60-minute reversal bar. Here is where we had other prior reversals, and we come back up to the teeny lines, and now we have another reversal. And this is on the 60-minute chart on the S&P 500. This is big, 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 big volume. And every bull run has to have a pullback. And the big, 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 super powerful money is moving in here. And we can see the volume. And we can see right here that on the 60-minute chart, we've got some support levels. Let's go ahead and pull our delta lines up. Let's hit that button right there. There it is. We can see that each line's $1.95. We can see that the 20-minute on a 60 is rising, and the S&P is sitting right here at 1508. Not to mention that the Dow is down 57 handles, NASDAQ is down, 100 is down 5, and the NASDAQ Composite's down. So we do have reversals in here, and the fear indicators at all-time lows. And that's the 60-minute support level and the update on this $1,500 monster put that they're buying. Not only that, the ones that we have purchased are the $1,510 316 S&P index puts. We do trade these calls and puts at certain times. One of the things that we would like to show you that we feel is very important is that you would have the opportunity to get involved in our market maker alerts. And we have them on stocks, we have them on indexes, we have them on lots of things. The one thing that I will tell you is to go to the homepage on stockmarketfunding.com, click on the SMF exchange right here. It'll tell you everything that we do. It'll tell you all the benefits that you get. It's all right here on the page. It tells you everything. Live trading room, 52-week high-low alerts. You got the market makers working for you. We give you 10 to 1, 15 to 1 buying power, 6 to 1 for little accounts that want to start with 2,500. We'll give you 15,000 intraday. You'll have our platforms. You can click here, take the 1-day free trial, get your buying power, let the market makers work for you. They know what they're doing. They've been around 30-some years. You will get the alerts on the entries and the exits. I'm going to conclude 7,400 contracts traded at 7:11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on 41 minutes of the opening bell. And that volume is just monster positions right here. Just monster positions right here. So, once again, that's the S&P 500 update and the alert. Here is the $1,510 put. That is totally marked down and deflated. They don't have much of a range yet, but there's been 1,500 of these traded. Notice that the expiration date is 3/16 of 2013 now. And that what we're going to be doing is updating. The Dow is down 62 handles. We have a reversal in all of the indexes from that bull run top. That bull resistance top has to come down. And the big money is convinced when they start putting up that kind of money, and they start putting up that kind of money on the S&P, you know that that big money knows that the government is going to have a battle about the spending cuts, and every bull needs to come down.